2025 Cadillac Escalade, the evolution of a luxury icon. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade ushers in a bold new chapter for America's most iconic luxury SUV. Known for its imposing presence, indulgent interior, and unmatched road presence, the Escalade has long been a symbol of success and sophistication. For the 2025 model year, Cadillac has significantly refreshed the Escalade's design, performance capabilities, and in-cabin technology, further elevating its position in the ultra-competitive world of full-size luxury SUVs. This isn't just a mid-cycle update, it's a transformation that blends Cadillac's heritage of opulence with a forward-looking, digital, and performance-driven future. Exterior, a bolder, sharper statement. Visually, the 2025 Escalade wears its updates proudly. Cadillac has refined the SUV's already impressive styling to align more closely with its growing lineup of electric vehicles, like the Escalade IQ and Lyriq. The front fascia has been reimagined with a larger, more intricately patterned grille, flanked by slim, horizontal LED headlamps and vertically oriented daytime running lights that stretch below the hood line. This gives the Escalade a more modern, high-tech presence, while maintaining the bold look buyers expect. The rear of the SUV sees equally elegant updates, including sleeker taillights, a reworked bumper, and subtle trim adjustments that further refine the Escalade's massive profile. For the first time in its history, the Escalade is now available with massive 24-inch wheels, giving it a towering and unmistakable street presence. New exterior color choices, such as deep sea metallic, Aegean stone, and latte metallic, add flair to its already extensive customization options, offering something to suit every personality, from understated elegance to show-stopping luxury. Interior, digital innovation meets lounge-like comfort. Inside, the transformation is even more remarkable. The 2025 Escalade now features a massive 55-inch curved OLED screen that spans from one A-pillar to the other. This futuristic display integrates the digital instrument cluster, infotainment screen, and even a separate screen for the front passenger, all neatly aligned in a single sweeping unit. Designed with safety in mind, the passenger side display is polarized to prevent distractions for the driver. It's one of the most visually striking and technologically advanced dashboards in the automotive world. The interior also introduces new design themes like Renaissance Red and Sheer Gray, and the materials used throughout are a testament to Cadillac's commitment to craftsmanship. From real wood accents and brushed metal to soft touch surfaces and premium leather, every detail is meticulously considered. Even the steering wheel has been redesigned for a more ergonomic and modern feel. Cadillac also expands its luxury offerings with the executive second-row package, turning the Escalade into a rolling business class lounge. This package includes massaging second-row captain's chairs, stowable tray tables, dual wireless phone chargers, and a rear entertainment system. These features make the Escalade a top choice, not just for families, but also for luxury shuttle services, VIP transport, and those who simply want every passenger to ride in absolute comfort. Performance. From smooth cruiser to supercharged beast, beneath the sculpted hood, the Escalade continues to offer powertrains that match its commanding stature. Standard models come equipped with a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Available with either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive, this setup ensures effortless cruising, confident towing, and plenty of muscle for everyday driving. Unfortunately, the more fuel-efficient 3.0-liter diesel engine is no longer available for 2025, as Cadillac shifts focus toward performance and luxury. But for those who crave more than just luxury, there's the 2025 Escalade V, Cadillac's ultimate performance SUV. This powerhouse features a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 churning out a staggering 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. Mated to the same 10-speed transmission in standard all-wheel drive, the Escalade V rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, an astonishing feat for a full-size SUV that weighs nearly 3 tons. To complement its raw power, The Escalade V comes equipped with high-performance features like Brembo front brakes, magnetic ride control suspension, an electronic limited-slip rear differential, and Cadillac's V mode, which allows drivers to fine-tune suspension, steering, and power delivery settings. These upgrades result in a driving experience that's surprisingly sharp and composed for such a large vehicle, though still not quite as nimble as rivals like the BMW Alpina XB7 or Mercedes-AMG GLS 63. Despite its incredible performance, the Escalade V retains practicality with a towing capacity of 7,200 pounds, making it both a track-worthy brute and a functional family hauler. Technology, built to impress and entertain. Cadillac has poured innovation into the Escalade's digital experience. At the heart of it all is the Google-based infotainment system, now running seamlessly across the full-width OLED display. Features like augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, and voice control make connectivity intuitive and effortless. Entertainment is taken to the next level with an optional rear seat entertainment package that includes dual 12.6-inch HD displays with streaming capabilities. And for audiophiles, Cadillac's partnership with AKG results in world-class sound systems. Standard trims come with a 19-speaker AKG Studio sound system, while top trims offer the AKG Studio reference system with 36 speakers, or even 40 speakers with the executive package. The sound quality is immersive and concert-like, making every drive feel like a VIP listening session. Safety and autonomous driving safety remains a top priority for Cadillac. The 2025 Escalade features Super Cruise, GM's hands-free highway driving technology, now standard across the lineup. This advanced system uses high-precision GPS, LiDAR mapping, and driver attention monitoring to enable safe and confident hands-free driving on thousands of miles of mapped roads in North America. In addition to Super Cruise, the Escalade is equipped with a full suite of active safety features. Automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, front and rear, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, intersection automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with hands-free capability, HD surround vision camera system, enhanced automatic park assist. These features work in harmony to deliver a safer and more confident driving experience. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the open highway, trim levels, pricing, and warranty. The Escalade is offered in a range of trims: luxury, premium luxury, sport, platinum, and V-Series, allowing buyers to find a configuration that suits their style and needs. The premium luxury trim offers a particularly compelling package, adding ventilated and heated front seats, upgraded materials, and expanded driver assistance features, making it worth the extra investment over the base model. Every Escalade includes a solid warranty package: 4 years, 50,000 miles limited warranty, 6 years, 70,000 miles powertrain warranty, complimentary maintenance for the first scheduled service. While brands like BMW offer better scheduled maintenance programs, Cadillac's longer powertrain warranty provides a valuable edge in long-term ownership confidence. Conclusion: luxury redefined for a new era. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them in nearly every way. It successfully blends the brand's rich legacy of American luxury with state-of-the-art technology, a bold new design language, and performance capabilities that rival high-end sports sedans. Whether you're drawn to the digital dashboard, enchanted by the AKG sound system, or thrilled by the explosive power of the Escalade V, there's an Escalade for everyone who refuses to compromise on space, style, and status. In a world where luxury SUVs are growing increasingly homogenized, the 2025 Escalade stands apart, not just as a vehicle, but as a rolling statement of excellence, innovation, and bold American luxury.